I love it when we get feedback about our product. Tub Armor has been amazing. We've seen so many customers using it, but one of the big comments that we're receiving is that Tub Armor is smaller than 60 inches. Here's the reason why. Is you want to leave an edge around the whole bathtub between 1 inch to 1.5 inches so that you can finish the bathtub without removing the Tub Armor. That's the key to the success of Tub Armor, is you do not want to remove this throughout the duration of the project. When you're installing Tub Armor, it's important to have small little pieces of tape. I've pre-cut some just to help you hold it in place, okay? And I like to have it about 2 inches from the edge of the tub there, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and place one of those pieces of tape, okay? And I'm going to put one right here on the front edge. Now, if you do that, it makes it so much easier when you're putting in the large piece, okay? Now, if you notice, I am leaving right there about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of space from the wall to the edge of the tape. This tape also is protecting the bathtub, but what it does is it allows you to be able to still finish your job without removing the Tub Armor. That's the key to success with Tub Armor.